When it comes to upgrading your home, installing new windows is one of the most impactful decisions you can make. Not only do windows enhance your home's curb appeal, but they also improve energy efficiency, security, and comfort. But how do you find the best window suppliers in Birmingham to ensure you're getting high-quality products and excellent service? Here's a guide to help you navigate the process and choose the right supplier for your needs. Consider your needs and preferences before you start searching for window suppliers. Take some time to assess your needs. Different homes and homeowners have different priorities when it comes to windows. Ask yourself the following questions. What type of windows do you need? Are you looking for traditional sash windows, modern casement windows, or something more bespoke? What are your priorities? Are you looking for better energy efficiency, improved security, or noise reduction? What is your budget? Windows come in a wide range of price points, depending on the material, style, and brand. Be clear about how much you're willing to invest. Understanding your requirements will help you narrow down your options and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Research reputable window suppliers in Birmingham. Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, it's time to start researching suppliers. Look for window suppliers that are well established, have a strong reputation in the area, and offer the products you're interested in. Online reviews. Check review platforms such as Google Reviews, Trustpilot, or local directories for feedback from past customers. Pay attention to both the positive and negative reviews to get a balanced perspective. Word of mouth. Ask friends, family, and neighbors in Birmingham who have recently renovated their homes for recommendations. Personal experiences can be invaluable when it comes to finding trustworthy suppliers. Accreditations and associations. Look for suppliers who are members of industry organizations like the Glass and Glazing Federation, GGF, or the Federation of Master Builders, FMB. These memberships often indicate a commitment to high standards of quality and customer service. Quality of products. The quality of the windows you choose is crucial. Well-made windows will not only enhance the look of your home but will also offer superior performance in terms of energy efficiency, durability, and security. When evaluating suppliers, consider the following. Window materials. Common window materials include UPVC, timber, aluminum, and composite. Each material has its own benefits, such as energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and ease of maintenance. Ask the supplier about the materials they offer and which ones best suit your home and needs. Energy efficiency. Look for windows that are energy efficient, particularly those with an A+ rating for energy performance. High-performance windows can significantly reduce your energy bills by keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. Security features. Ensure that the windows come with robust security features, such as multi-point locking systems and reinforced glass, to keep your home safe from intruders. Get multiple quotes. It's always a good idea to get quotes from at least 3 window suppliers in Birmingham. This allows you to compare prices, services, and the products offered. Be wary of quotes that seem too good to be true. Quality windows and professional installation come at a cost. Ensure the quotes you receive are itemized, so you know exactly what you're paying for. During the quote process, ask questions about the installation process, any guarantees or warranties offered, and any additional costs that might arise during the project. Customer service and aftercare. Good customer service is essential when choosing a window supplier. From the initial consultation to the final installation and beyond, you want a supplier that will provide clear communication, timely service, and effective problem resolution if issues arise. Look for the following. Clear communication. Does the supplier listen to your needs and offer suggestions tailored to your project? Timeliness. Will they meet deadlines, from delivery to installation? Aftercare. Do they offer maintenance or repair services after installation? A good supplier will stand behind their products and be responsive if you need assistance. Check installation services. In addition to the quality of the windows, the quality of installation is equally important. Many window suppliers offer professional installation services, but make sure their installers are certified and experienced. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water damage, and compromised security. Warranty and guarantees. Always ask about warranties and guarantees before making a final decision. A reliable supplier will offer a solid warranty on both the windows and the installation. This will give you peace of mind that any issues that arise will be addressed without additional costs. Conclusion. Choosing the best window suppliers in Birmingham is a significant decision that requires careful research and consideration. By understanding your needs, researching reputable suppliers, comparing quotes, and focusing on quality, you can ensure you choose a supplier who will deliver high-quality products, excellent customer service, and a smooth installation experience. The right windows will not only enhance the look of your home but will provide long-term value and comfort for years to come.